This is Dave with Aqualife Ponds. What I wanted to talk to you about are patio water features. Patio fountains, patio hardscape fountains, patio ponds. So I live in Orange County, California, and there's a lot of small backyards, and there are these new residential situations which I think are super cool, and they're kind of these three-story residences. I don't know what they actually call them, but they have rooftop gardens. Or let's say you've got a condo and you just have a little balcony space. We can put a water feature and even a pond in those situations. So patio ponds are really cool. They're like a ceramic, either round or square ecosystem pond. We set it up as an ecosystem, and there's a bamboo spinner or a deer scare bamboo thing that falls in there. It's lit up at nighttime, sounds really cool, looks amazing, because we have all kinds of colorful plants in there. And if it's on a rooftop, you can put fish in there because the raccoons can't get to it, and it's just really cool. So also we can do urns on a patio. We can do little hardscape fountains on a patio. I mean, there are a lot of different options for patio water features, and we can even do ponds. So, for instance, we've got a pond inside of my office. It's inside of an office, so we can build up and do a little pond if you just have a balcony area that's or a patio area that's concrete and you don't want to dig through the concrete, or if it's a rooftop, we can still do a pond there. So there are so many different options. If you are really missing that sound of water and you feel like you want to incorporate water into your patio situation, your rooftop garden situation, we can do it. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a call. This is Dave with Aqualife Ponds.